Hey Glam Fam, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's Spooktober glam is going to be my take on Beetlejuice. This is going to be something quick and easy for a last minute, if you have stripes in your closet, last minute Halloween makeup costume type thing. Sorry, I have my fur baby right here. Okay, so for the brows, you can do your brows. You could do your brows like regular if you want. I'm gonna do a burgundy type brow to go with the purple we're gonna be doing on our eyes. So I'm using Jaclyn Hill's Bling Boss palette, and I'm gonna go in with this burgundy shade here. And we are doing our brows like normal. Well, kind of. I'm not gonna do the cleaning up. I'm just gonna put them on. I'm not gonna clean. Oh, I might. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Sorry guys, my husband came to grab the fur baby because it's kind of making a bit of a ruckus over here in my little area. And they come back out.
Yeah,
you guys, I took them out. There's 2 poops out there. He might have to again though, because he's farting pretty bad.
Did you leave that in your video?
No.
Huh?
No.
Sure.
Close the door.
He's in the right now.
You're so annoying with
I'm
that.
a blocker for flies.
You are not a blocker for the flies.
You know that. He's singing like. Look that way.
You're annoying.
Oh well.
Back to our regularly. I fucked that up. Back to our regular scheduled programming. Alright, so following the naturalness of the brow. I might keep the little bit of a messy look because Beetlejuice got some dark, bushy brows. I'm getting there myself. I need to clean up my brows again. Trying really hard not to block you guys, but I'm blind, so I can't see the mirror when it's that far away. So we're gonna go ahead and leave that like that, and then just do the other one, and we'll start our eyes. Well, the rest of our face like we normally do. All right, I don't know how Beetlejuice does it. I cannot leave my brows all so I cleaned them up. So for the purple, I already excuse me, for my eyes and stuff. So for the purple, we're gonna go into Morphe's, what is it? Artistry palette? Living Color. I knew that's what it was called. I don't know why I blanked. Morphe's Living Color palette, and we're gonna go in with Truth. So it is a very deep purple shade here. That's what we're using for our eyelids, well, our crease in the outer corner. We're focusing. That's all we're focusing on. Just applying that in our crease. Okay, so this is not a palette where a little product goes a long way. At least for me, what I find, especially like the dark pigmented ones, I do tend to have to I pick up one and then I just keep blending that. I don't know, for me it's not 100% that blendable when you pick up a lot of product, so I'll pick up a little bit at a time with a very, very light hand and focus most of my product on the outer corner, and then lighten my hand the further I go in and use whatever is left. We are going to use a lighter shade to soften the line here. So I'm just building on my crease. And then I'm going to apply it to the outer corner here. So now that you have the desired dark shade of purple, we're going to go in and do the other eye. So we're just going to speed this one along. Okay, now that we have the purple, I'm gonna use a bit of fluffier brush and go in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. The, I know they're all Modern Renaissance, but like the neutral and berry tones, this one here. So I'm gonna go in with one Fresco. It's a very light mauve pink color here. This one here. And we're gonna use that to blend out the edges. So for the pressed pigment, I'm going to use the Spanglish palette here. My mother-in-law gave this to me, and I'm gonna use Eres un Show. This pigmentation right here. I think you can see it, this one here. So we're gonna apply our concealer and then apply that with our finger most likely. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we have that done, I'm just gonna go ahead and buff out those edges. Honestly, this is coming out so pretty. All right, so if you choose to, you could do black liner. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna go on from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my, mascara and lashes off camera, and then I will come back and do my foundation and we can get into the whole green aspect part of our face. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so my lashes are on. That did take a little bit longer than expected because I'm also uploading a video while I am recording this one, and I told my husband, I was like, oh, pay attention to it. You know, when it's done, just hit publish. I did everything else. But he's playing Xbox with his friends, the boys. So he was sidetracked. And I knew he would be, so when I went, sure enough, it was done while he was in the middle of a match. So I had to do that real quick. All right, so for the foundation part, you can do something totally lighter than your foundation because Beetlejuice is a bit of more on the pale side, like white. So you can do something like that, or you can do your normal foundation too. I'm gonna do my normal foundation. I don't really want to do something pale, to be honest. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. So for my normal foundation, I'm using, oh my gosh, that's funny. Anyway, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. So this is what I'm using. Like I said, you can use something lighter if you want. Totally up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then we can get right into the green aspect of our face. All right, I'm going to use hashtag Love Wins from the Living Color palette. So this fuchsia pink color for my under eye. Here's a tip. If you want to use your foundation color but still want something a little bit lighter, go in instead of with a, like a no pigmented, no color setting powder. Go in with a something lighter finishing powder, like a lighter finishing powder than your normal shade on top of your foundation, and it'll lighten up your face. Not to an extreme, obviously not like white, but just light enough to just lighten your skin tone a little bit more for the Beetlejuice look. So for the fuchsia color, I went in with a bigger brush. So it's not just focused on my lash line, it's like all the way down. And I'm not gonna go with mascara. I totally just put my thumb on something and I don't know what it is. All right, so now to do the green. I still need the Living Color palette. Oh, I can't open it. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with Nature, and probably in a bit of spots I'm gonna go in with the Activism, the shimmer green. So I'm going in with this shade here. Ooh, do you not want to focus? There you go. I'm going in with this shade here, and then I'm gonna go in with the shimmer on some parts, definitely for the inner corner. So I'm gonna use a detailing brush, it's a pointed detailing brush here, and I'm gonna pick up Nature and I'm gonna apply that on the inner corner. Yes, I know I have my lashes on, but it's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and apply green to the inner corner of our makeup. Doesn't have to be clean, just has to be all over. You can choose to blend it in with your shadow. I'm blending it in on the bottom portion of my eye makeup right here. Perfect. I'm gonna go in with the shimmer. Probably could do that with my hand though. Yeah, okay, so I'm adding shimmer to the green. This battery is about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it out. Probably should have been paying attention to that. So I'm gonna do that and then be right back. All right, we're back. Kind of. You're a little crooked there. All right, so back with the green. Now we're going to apply it to our lips. Sorry, not our lips, the outer corner of our lip. So picking it up, we're going to apply it here. Again, no particular pattern, we're just applying it. We are gonna go over with lipstick on our lip, so that's why I'm not applying it to the lip. I'm just applying it to a corner. For me, I'm following my lip line, and then I'm just gonna blend down, like so. I am gonna apply shimmer to this as well because I love shimmer. All right. So using a contour, blush brush, whatever you want to use, I'm gonna pick up the green. A lot of loose pigment with this palette. And we're going to contour our face like normal on the cheekbones. And you're just gonna keep applying until you have a desired shade of green. Because obviously with this brush, it's a little bit less dense as the pointer brush, obviously. So we're gonna keep applying until it's like a desired shade of green that you want, which is fine. If you want to use a bit more dense brush, that's fine, but it's just a little bit harder to blend out. This you want to like literally apply to your inner cheekbone and cheekbone as if it were blush and contour, like starting from your hairline, dragging it down like so. You could use something dense, but it's going to be a little bit harder to blend out. So you don't really want a harsh line with the Beetlejuice green. You just want to keep blending, so we're going to go ahead and do both sides. Okay, so whatever is left over, I'm just going to blend up towards the hairline, and then we're going to go ahead and do our forehead. So for that, I'm going to need to hold or push my hair back so if I look a little weird, sorry. And then I'm going to pat up here. I have these little crevices because of the way my hair is shaped on my head, so that's where I'm going to apply the green. You can apply the green anywhere you see fit on your forehead, or you can choose not to apply it to your forehead, totally up to you. So I'm patting, and then whatever's left over, I'm just like blending it down towards my brows. And then I'm gonna blend towards, this one has a bit more green, okay. Blend towards here. I'm gonna do a little bit of my nose, just a little bit. Okay, put a little bit of foundation on my lip. You can do lipstick to kind of glamorize it. I feel like it's already glamorized, so I'm just gonna pick up a bit of black and pat it onto the inner of my lip here. So switching from patting to rubbing motion. So now I'm gonna go back in with the green and apply that to the lip as well. I was gonna put lipstick on, I just changed my mind. Like I said, you could if you want. I just feel like with the eyes and my regular foundation, it's already glamorized, so I'm good. All right, Glam Fam, just throw on something with stripes. Tease your hair a bit to like stay authentic to Beetlejuice. You can glamorize it with curls if you want, straighten hair, totally up to you. I wanted to be a little bit more authentic. My hair's already wild anyway, so I just teased it up a bit. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!